Hello, today I'm making a mum, this beautiful mum I made for my daughter's birthday. It's super simple and easy, and you can use the same method to make mums for homecoming too. So I have all these different ribbons. I just saved ribbon, but you can go to Walmart and get any kind of ribbon you want or think you want. And as you see, I have them laid out. I measured them on her the way I wanted to for the long strips and also the short strips. Then I get those short strips and I fold them directly in half and hot glue them together. Some people staple them together, but I did not find my stapler, so I burned my hand a few times. Okay, so I place all those, I fold them together, glue them together, and then I kind of lay them out to see how I might want it to look visually. And then I go ahead and start gluing them down. Now for these long strips, I go ahead and lay them out as well to see how I might want them to look, and then I get ready to glue them. So I have different sizes, so just seeing, the way I want it to look. I also cut the bottoms of them to give the ribbon that inverted triangle look, and I will be doing that, but I did not zoom in very well, so I hope you can see it. But I will do that in another video, zoom in on the tips of those ribbons so you can just see how I do that. But basically, I just fold them inwardly in half. You can fold them inwardly or outwardly. I do believe it'll give you a different design, but I fold them inward and then I cut the triangle from the bottom to the top corner. That's what I think will give you a different one if you go from the inside out or outside in. Just make sure you're doing them all the same so that they are unison. But yeah, basically I fold it inward and then cut from the bottom to the tip of the ribbon, like in a triangle angle way. I hope that makes sense. But the smaller ribbons, as you can see, were a little harder to do that with, or at least just to make them flush and not have those straggly ribbons. Okay, and then yeah, from there I go ahead and glue all those ribbon pieces on the way I would like them to look. From here, you can add any extra decoration you like to. I have these accent ribbon. I don't know if that what you would call that, tassel, you know, left over from my daughter's homecoming. And then even like in that homecoming way, this is the time where you would add those accent pieces, um, little stickers or emblems or footballs or whatever little pieces you'd like to add. All right, and then after this we're going to go ahead and connect both of those pieces, the top and the bottom. Oh, and I forgot to say, like, I never spend a lot of money. I don't pay for those backs. Like when I'm making the mums, I do because they're heavier, but I literally use this ribbon container. Like the ribbon is wrapped up in those circles, and I literally take the top, I rip the top off the top and the bottom of a ribbon, and then I use it there. I never pay $5 for those circle cardboard backings at all. So from here, yeah, we're gonna get both of those circles, the top circle and the bottom circle, and put those together. We're just gonna hot glue those together. From there, I just have a little 5 that I created on Canva. Literally just the number 5 with a purple background to put into the circle piece. And I printed that on some thick cardstock. And I'm just gluing that right there in the center. Just making sure there's no glue or anything, and we have this beautiful mum. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe for more.